Hey guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best gaming PC cases. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Magic Cube PC Case. Specifications. Brand name, Magic. Power supply mounted, bottom. Radiator size, 140 mm. Max GPU length, 320 mm. Max CPU cooler height, 155 mm. Max PSU length, 160 mm. Power model, ATX. Front ports, 3. Material, steel, tempered glass, SPCC. Type, vertical. Case weight, 5.2 kilograms. Number 4 on our list is Valkyrie PC Case VK03. Specifications. Brand name, Magic. Model number, VK03. Power supply mounted, bottom. Radiator size, 360 mm. Max GPU length, 440 mm. Max CPU cooler height, 180 mm. Max PSU length, 180 mm. Power model, ATX. Form factor, ATX. Material, plastic, SPCC, ABS, aluminum frame. Number 3 on our list is iGo AS900. Specifications. Brand name, iGo. Model number, AS900. Power supply mounted, bottom. Expansion slots, 7. Radiator size, 360 mm. Max GPU length, 425. Case weight, 7.65. Form factor, ATX. Material, aluminum alloy, tempered glass. Number 2 on our list is Powertrain Illusionary Realm Computer Case. Specifications. Brand name, Powertrain. Model number, Illusionary Realm. Radiator size, 240 mm. Max GPU length, 305 mm. Max CPU cooler height, 160 mm. Max PSU length, 150 mm. Power model, ATX. Form factor, Micro ATX, ITX. Material, aluminum alloy, tempered glass. Case weight, 3.5 kilograms. Number 1 on our list is Jonesbo D32 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Jonesbo. Model number, D32 Pro. Radiator size, 240 mm. Max GPU length, 360 mm. Max PSU length, 170 mm. Power model, ATX. Form factor, Micro ATX. Material, steel, tempered glass. Type, vertical. Case size, 40 by 20 x 30 cm. Case weight, 6.5 kilograms.